Hello to everyone that has found their way here. I wanted to make this video as a summary of all my previous videos, so if you like it, you can subscribe to my channel and you can look through all my videos and get a more detailed explanation of some of the mechanisms I'm going to be talking about, while also looking at references that I mentioned in my previous videos, so you can look at those scientific references if you want to read more deep into these things. Some of those references I've been a part of, and some of those references I haven't, and I've just gotten from other science labs on the internet that I've found. And this video is kind of just trying to explain reality and explain what the future of science is going to be like. So, why reality is a loop and you're inside it? What if I told you the same pattern that shapes galaxies is shaping your thoughts right now? And once we understand it, we could eliminate disease, redesign technology, and maybe even end conflict forever. Doesn't that sound great? This is the idea that could change everything. Reality is a fractal and recursive. That means one simple rule repeats across every scale of existence. Zoom in, atoms. Zoom out, galaxies. Same logic, different scales. So let's break that down. What is physics? It's patterns of energy. What is chemistry? Patterns of molecules. What is biology? Patterns of water droplets that became alive. Life didn't randomly appear. It's what happens when recursion gets complex enough. And here's where it gets interesting. Your consciousness, it's part of this pattern too. Your thoughts, your emotions, your identity, they're being constructed in real time by shifting arrangements of biomolecules in your brain, creating subjectivity. Proteins move, signals flow, structures reorganize, and somehow that becomes experience, your experience, which means your reality is literally being generated from how your molecules are arranged. Change the pattern, you change the experience. Now imagine we master this, not just building technology, but designing systems that plug directly into these natural patterns. Medicine that rewrites cellular behavior, AI that evolves like living organisms, materials that heal, adapt, and respond like tissue. We could have buildings that evolve and heal themselves if they're damaged. This isn't man versus machine. It's human plus technology becoming one system. And if systems can self-regulate, produce abundance, and meet human needs automatically and autonomously, then what happens to jobs, to money, to survival itself? They stop being necessary. In a fully optimized system, resources flow where they're needed. Technology supports life instead of exploiting it. People are free to create, explore, and exist how it should be. Not competing, not trying to survive, just living. But here's the catch. We don't automatically get this future because if we don't understand these systems, we'll misuse them, amplify inequality, lose control, or build systems we don't even recognize anymore. This isn't just a scientific shift, it's a shift in how we see each other. Because if every mind is built from a unique molecular pattern, then every perspective is literally a different version of reality. And maybe understanding that is how conflict finally ends. The future isn't about controlling reality, it's about recognizing we've been a part of the pattern all along. Understand the pattern, change everything.